Yeah, you have to spray a few times before it actually comes out.
There's something more.
DJ Smith, bring the beat back.
Slits Beats.
You know your body I want. There's something more. Bigger than I think on your backside. Do everything I want.
Let me close. Hey people, what's good, what's poppin'? It's your girl Gina, G-O-A, Goa, G-Unit, G-Money, G-whatever, G everything. You can call me whatever you like as long as you actually subscribe. If you don't subscribe, it's Gina to you. Anyway, let's cut right to the chase. So I need to talk to you guys about this hair. Let's start off with the basics. This hair is from Asteria hair. The packaging was nice. I might insert like a little snap that I took of it. It did come in its original 1B like color, the natural brown, natural black color. Yeah, just to tell you what I got a 20-inch frontal, 2 24-inch bundles and a 26-inch bundle. That's such a weird combination because like it should be like a 22-inch frontal or something like that. I don't mind because I don't even wear it as a frontal because I don't know how to cut frontals properly. So if you're looking to be my hairstylist, like, this hair I've been wearing for about a month, and I feel like maybe that's what I should be doing with hair reviews, simply because in the beginning this hair was so perfect, and I still love it, and I love the color, guys. I did bleach it by myself. It was quite easy. It took well to the bleach. I didn't want it too bright, so this is like the perfect color for me. However, the shedding is real. It's not like it sheds just randomly, but I can't even like comb my fingers through it without it shedding or being like really tangled, which is such a bad thing. After you first wash it, it's really soft, but then like within 2 times of wearing the wig, it's really like, ew. I'm lucky I do have other like curly wigs, and don't get me wrong, I would get hair from Asteria again, but that would legit be my only con, because when I do wash it, it's soft again, and the hair is generally soft, but when it gets tangled bad. And I do my hair every day, every single day. So yeah, that would be my only con. I'm trying to make this video as short as possible, so if you guys do want to see a tutorial on how I bleach my hair, I do have a video. I'm going to link it up in the cards above. So if you do like this hair, it's Asteria. I'll put all the details of the hair in the link below, so make sure you do actually check them out. They are still very good hair company, but you can actually check out the posts on my Instagram and my Snapchat and my Twitter. Like, check those out, because the curls, when they're popping, they're really popping. I haven't done my hair in a few days now, so that's why it looks a bit dry. But yeah guys, the shedding, that's the only one. Like, when it sheds. But yeah, that's it from me, guys. I do hope you like this video. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
You know your body I want. There's something more. Bigger than I think on your backside. Do everything I want. I need that something, and I know you got it. I want to unlock that special something you got. Move fire if you want.